How to stop Snapchat pop-up notifications on Android. This tutorial shows you how to disable those banners that appear at the top of your screen. First, long press the Snapchat icon from your home screen or app drawer and tap App Info. From there, tap Notifications. After that, tap Notification Categories to see all the different notification types for Snapchat. At this point, tap on a category you want to stop pop-ups for, such as chat notifications or snap notifications. Following this, scroll down and find the Pop on Screen option and toggle it off. This will stop that category from showing up as a banner on your screen while you're using your phone. From here, go back and repeat the same steps for any other notification categories you want to disable pop-ups for as well. If you want to disable all Snapchat notifications at once, simply toggle off Show Notifications entirely. Finally, once you've gone through all the relevant categories, Snapchat banners will no longer interrupt you while you're using your device. That's how you stop Snapchat pop-up notifications on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one. See you in the next one.